Here we've got Honor 7A, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts, find the one that you would like to change this picture in. So for example, let me choose Joe, as she has no profile picture. Then tap on edit to edit this contact and select the profile icon. Click on select new photo if you would like to pick one from the gallery, or take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you. I will pick one from the gallery. And let me pick this picture. Now you can crop it, you can adjust it to your needs. I will just make it a bit bigger. Here she is. Tap on confirmation mark, tap on it one more time, and that's it. As you can see now, this profile picture is assigned to this contact, and this is how you can quickly and easily do it. So that would be all. This is how you can add a picture to the contact in your device in your Honor 7A. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.